Let's make some pumpkin biscotti. These are the ingredients you'll need. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then add all of your dry ingredients to a large bowl and combine. Make an indentation or a well in your dry ingredients and start adding all of the wet ingredients, which is all of the remaining ingredients on the ingredients list. And gently combine all the ingredients together. Add the mixture to your baking sheet in spoonfuls. You'll make 2 logs of pumpkin bread all together. And this is my little hack to form them. You do want to form them into logs before you place them in the oven. So I just spray my hands with some nonstick baking spray and form them into a rectangular shape. Then you'll place these in your 325 degree oven for about half an hour or until they're fully cooked on the inside. You can do a toothpick test if you need to. Let these cool for about 10 minutes and then you're going to slice them on a diagonal, about 1/2 to 3/4 inch slices. Do that with both of your loaves. Then place them back on the baking sheet and put them back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes or until they're fully dried. They should become a little slightly brown. This is what they look like. Then if you want to make the drizzle, you just need powdered sugar and a little bit of almond milk. Stir it until it becomes a nice drizzle that can coat the back of a spoon, and then use a spoon to drizzle it all over your pumpkin biscotti. These cookies can be stored for up to 2 weeks, or you can freeze them for up to 3 months. They're the perfect cookies to make during the fall months or anytime you're craving that pumpkin spice flavor. Enjoy, guys!